Oh my god. I couldn't shoot, bro. If I would have shot, you would have been dead, but it wouldn't let me shoot. I'm gonna pickaxe this dude. Oh shit. Alright. Alright. You're making me sweat now. I have to do it to you.
Okay, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Flashy Finesse, aka I Finesse Bots. Back at you guys again with this updated instant edit bind method. So there's a lot of ways you can do this. I think you can do it on, I've done it personally on Corsair keyboards, on Corsair, the Corsair software, also the mouses and whatnot. So, and also Logitech. So it works on Corsair, Logitech so far that I know of. I have tried it with Razer stuff, but it's kind of finicky. I haven't figured it out. You might be able to ask somebody. But basically what you want to do is, here's my G502. You can see I'm on default right now. If I click on this, this is the light sync for like the colors and stuff, so you don't want to click that. You want to click this assignments. Make sure this is unchecked, just so you can play with other games and you won't have, you can use this button for other things on other games. So leave this unchecked, or if it is unlocked, make it unlocked. If it is locked, make it unlocked. So, and you want to make sure once you have unlocked that, it'll give you the opportunity to be able to switch profiles to different games. So here I'm gonna go into Fortnite, and that's when you want to click here on the create new, and when it asks you the macro type, you want to make sure you click sequence right here. Make sure this box right here is unchecked. Use standard delays, and then you want to get started right here. So click record keystrokes, and you want to just type in, see how it's going to show the milliseconds now in between. Before, if you have this unchecked, it won't show that. So, and to delete them, you just click on them and click backspace or delete. So yeah, you want to do just like this. I know I put a lot of stuff here, but you just want to delete everything except this. So whatever your edit key is, it's going to go here, down and up, and delete all the delays in between. Then on this one right here, you're just going to have click down. You don't want click up in there. You don't want anything else in there. Any delays, just delete everything else but the click down. Then on the release one, you want to just have the E down key, or whatever your edit key is, to confirm again on at the end. I have tried this with edit on release, that new feature they added to the settings. Confirm on release, I'm sorry, confirm on release. So yeah, I have tried it with confirm on release, but it's not as good to me. If you use confirm on release, you don't need to put this, but I actually like to leave confirm on release off. That way I can have the freedom. If I want to just do a regular edit, I just push my normal edit key, and that way it gives you the freedom to do both. Sometimes it's better to use one or the other. So yeah, once you're done making this, you just click save. It's gonna tell you, are you sure you want to save this without having you have a click down without a click up? Just click yes to that, and keep going. Once you're done making that and it saves, you want to just drag it over to whatever button you want to use it on. For me, I like to use it right here on this, right next to the click right here. But when I'm playing with my G Pro wireless, I do use it on this, on the middle click. It's kind of weird. It's kind of like editing with L3 on controller. But yeah, man, that's pretty much how you do it. If you guys want a Corsair tutorial, make sure you like the video, subscribe, all that good stuff. Use code I'mABot in the item shop. And yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys. Peace.